Students, in Mathematics of Standard 4, in lesson number 9, Geometrical Shapes, we will do exercise 9D. First, we will see what is plane. A flat surface which extends endlessly in all directions is called a plane. We can represent plane on a paper. Likewise, for example, book, then blackboard, roof of a building. These all are the examples of plane. Second point. A small dot made by a sharp pencil on a piece of paper is called a point. You can see here it has no length, no breadth and thickness. Point can be of small size or bigger size. So it has no length, no breadth and thickness. Next we will see line segment. We will take 2 points, suppose A and B. The straight path from A to B. Straight path means straight line between A to B is called the line segment AB. It has fixed length. The length is fixed. It has 2 endpoints. As you can see here, the endpoint A and endpoint B. The line segment AB is same as line segment BA. We can write the line segment AB or the line segment BA. Both is same. It is denoted as AB and then a line or bar above it. The distance between the points AB is called the length of AB. Next we will see ray. A line segment which extends endlessly in one direction only is called a ray. It has no fixed length as we can increase the length in one side. It has one end point. You can see here in this figure the point A is fixed, so it is one end point, and in B point we can extend it. It is denoted by AB and an arrow mark above it. While naming a ray, we start from the initial point. Initial point means fixed point. We write first and then we write the point which extends endlessly. For example, you can see here ray AB. Ray AB, first we will write A which is fixed and then B which can be extended. So ray AB is written in this way. In the second figure you see B is written first because the point B is fixed, and then we will write A because in A point we can extend it. Next we will see line. A line segment which extends endlessly in both the directions is called a line. Here you can see 2 points A and B. Both sides it can be extended. It has no end points. It is denoted by AB and above you will draw a line with the arrow marks on both sides. Next, intersecting lines. In figure we can see 2 lines AB and CD. They cross each other or they meet each other at point O. Such lines which cross each other are known as intersecting lines, and the point where they intersect or meet is called point of intersection. Next we will do exercise 9D. First question given is classify the following as point, line, line segment and ray. First, you can see here a dot is given and P is written. So it is point. You will write point, put a dash and write P. Second, you can see here in both the sides the arrow is given. So it is a line. You will write line RS and put an arrow mark above it. Then third, you can see here it has 2 fixed points X and Y. So it is a line segment. You will write XY and put a bar above it. Then fourth, you can see here one point is fixed and B point we can extend it. So it is a ray. So you will write ray A, B and you will put a line and then one side arrow mark. Fifth, you see it is a point where D is written. So it is point, you will write D. Then sixth, it is a line segment. It has two fixed endpoints L and M. You will write here line segment L, M and put a bar above it. Next, B bit. Name the points marked between A and B. Here figure is given in your book A to B. You have to mark the points between A and B. First point is C, second point D, then E, F, G and H. These all are the points between A and B. C bit, name all the line segments in the following figure. Here A to B line segment is given. You have to write all the line segments present here in this figure. First you can see A to E. Yes, it has two fixed points, that is A and E. So first line segment is AE. Then A to F. Second line segment AF. Third A to B. You will write here AB. And then from E you will start EF. It is another line segment. Then EB. Yes, again one line segment. And then from F you will start FB. So these are all the line segments in the following figure.